Hi guys, have you ever wanted to be your own boss? You ever wanted to work at home, choose your own hours? How about money? Do you want more and more money? Give yourself a pay rise? Well, it's never been easier guys. There's new programs coming out all the time which makes it easier for us newbies, us new entrepreneurs, people who work from home. The opportunities are getting better and better. Not to mention the internet. There's anything you want to learn, anything you want to find out, we have the World Wide Web to thank for that. There's lots and lots of businesses that you can do online. We're not going to get into them all today, but I will name a few. For instance, you can make your own shop. You can sell your own products if you've got some designed, or you can sell other people's products. And the good news is you make a commission from it. People buy, you earn. It's that simple. Whatever you're into though, whatever you're passionate about, whatever hobbies you've got, share it with the world. Turn it into money. People might like the same stuff you like, and if they do, even better. Sell things that you're passionate about, share it with the world, make some money on the way, on the journey. Sound good? Whatever you're into, you can make a shop about it. Bags, makeup, games, sports equipment, cameras, you name it, you can make a shop about it. Turn your hobbies into a business and go worldwide. How does that sound? Other great businesses that you can do is coaching and consulting. Now you will need to be an expert in this. Basically, if you're good at something, why not share it, teach someone, let someone else learn from you and earn some money. Doesn't matter what you know, if you're good at it, share it. I'm sure there's someone out there who wants to learn. You might think it's silly, but others might like it. Why not turn your expertise into cash? Earn along the way, help others. Yeah, people always want to learn, so help them. Share and earn. Selling information courses is another great way to earn. Like I said, people always want to learn. So find the courses and programs out there, share it, earn a commission. So affiliate marketing, the one I do, it's the easiest and it's great for beginners. You promote products and if people buy, you earn. Find what's popular, or you look for what people need and you promote it. You choose a niche. It can be something you are passionate about, as that will keep you motivated, but there are lots of other niches to choose from if you don't know. The most popular niches are health and fitness, business and wealth, and relationships and dating. But obviously there's others such as photography, sports, such as golf, fishing, gaming and so many others. Whatever you're into, basically, you can probably find and promote that. Good place to look on is like places like this, Amazon. You can come to it, you can basically find out what's popular. Go to look down here. We've got all these different. Look, come under all these different headings. You've got all these different niches. Whatever you're into, basically, you can go. But you can also go on other sites. Not just Amazon. You can go on. You can like this share sale. Find different companies offering different programs you can join and you can promote that way. It shows you different prices of what you can earn. As you can see, some companies pay more than others. Like you only get 5% off that one. 10%, £20 per sale. Like I said, there's lots of different ones you can go on. Another good one is flex offers.
you just find what you want to go under, all these different headings, digital products. This gives you like different companies as well you can start with, tells you different percentages. That's 4%. Survival one, you can read more as well. There's so many, guys. Another one, a good one is ClickBank. It's one I use as well. If you're struggling for finding what niche you want, you just come on to go into the marketplace, and you've got all these different categories, and then under each category there's different stuff. So say for instance you're into you fitness and health, yeah, you come into this, and then it brings you lots of different companies. Now you can sort it by popularity, you can sort it by whichever, right? A good one is Gravity. It tells you like how much people are using it and that. So as you can see, yeah, this has got a Gravity of 225. It's quite a popular, this one. And this is the red tea detox, very popular one. So you can promote it, and then you can earn £23.52 off one sale, but then they have upsales as well, which you can earn more. And this is like a passive income, because the more they stay with it, the more you earn. Then obviously you got others what are different prices, different stuff. But even if you've not got, if you're not into your fitness, like I said, there's lots of different categories you can choose from. Could be self-help. The X Factor guide, how to get your X back. Tactical pen. So, like I said, guys, you can turn your hobbies into a business and go worldwide. There's lots of different businesses that you can do, but I find that affiliate marketing is the easiest. You just basically find a niche that you're into, promote products from that niche to people who are interested in that niche, and if they make a purchase, you make a commission. It's easy. You can pretty much promote anything, but the more popular it is, the better. More interest equals more sales. And you can be an affiliate for lots of companies, such as Amazon, you've got eBay, you've got ClickBank. My favourite is Clickfunnels. You can make some really good money doing it. Not only that, you can win some cool prizes. Yeah, so here's some of the prizes. Blue Yeti microphones, iPhone XS, iPad Pro, cameras, iMacs and iMac Pro. You can win these prizes by joining, if you would like to win these prizes, join my free training and sign up to my mentor's course. This training, and you can win these prizes. Like, you only need like 15 sales of his course, 20 like different ones. The top prize, 175 sales. That's not hard at all, guys. People need what my mentor's selling, so get involved. Ask her in the comments if you're interested.
So whatever business plan you decide to go down, whichever route or path you choose, take that step. Become your own boss, make your own business, and make 2019 your year. Don't listen to other people when they say it's silly or you're never going to make that sort of money. Look on the internet. Everybody's making money. Why not you? Go for it. Forget the negative people. Follow your dreams. That's what I'm doing. Any questions, please comment below. Send me a message, or I'm here to help. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, because because they might be interested in making a business, and subscribe. Follow me. Thank you very much. Till next time.